Hi, welcome to My Success. My Success aims to give you the best personal development advice to help you succeed, so sit back, relax and enjoy the roller coaster. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Are dreams, wishes and goals the same? This is a question that you may have asked many times, but have not yet received a satisfying answer. Well, wishes, dreams and goals are not at all the same. They may have near meanings, but there is a difference between the three of them. Often you have heard someone wishing something. Wishes are those often asked by a person. There can be thousands wishes of a person. It is something that one desires to have but does not have it yet. There can be an endless list of wishes in a person's life. It can be from buying a designer dress to almost anything. On the other hand, dream is something that a person visualizes someday. It is more like a goal that you visualize. Dreams give a person the motivation to stand up and move forward in life. Without dreams, a person's life would have found no meaning or taste. A goal is a target that a person sets in life. In other words, you can also call it an achievement. However, all these three closely relates to each other. They are convertible. Only if a person wishes something, then he dreams of that thing, and only if he dreams of that thing, he gets the motivation to set it as a goal. Thus, you see that there is no existence of one without the other. All three complement each other. Wish makes a life colorful. Dream makes a life motivated. Goal makes a life purposeful. This is why these three things, wish, dream and goal, are very important part of life. They help a human being to live happily. These three things helps a man to be optimistic and learn about the daily hectic of life. For instance, many people wish that they had a car, but unfortunately, they do not have the capacity to buy a lavish car. The next step for them is to dream and visualize that they have a car. This will help them to get the motivation to buy a car. Then, they will take the necessary steps to buy the car. Although it may not be possible at once, but they have to set some other goals that will help them make money and finally achieve their goal of buying a car. Thus, everything relates to one another. In order to achieve the goal, you have to set our eyes on it, just as an animal before catching its prey fixes their eyes on the prey. However, keep in mind that you must not forget the principles of your life while you set to achieve the goals. Most people often forget their principles of life and resort to dubious means in order to achieve the target. Keep away from them. If you feel that the goals is not achievable for you, then leave it for the moment and make some other goal in your life that you find achievable for the moment. Thus, wishes, dreams and goals are needed to live a colorful life. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Look at the description box below for our best product recommendation. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it very informative. My Success has a vision to help you grow and succeed in all aspects of life. If you would like us to continue creating such videos, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon. See you soon. Don't forget to leave a message in the comments section below telling us what type of videos you would like to see.